we are in this world for an assignment. May assignment ka. We're born to change the world. Live this world better than when we first saw it. The motivation always in serving is to glorify God. Reach out your family and let them accept and know Jesus that is with lasting legacy. At hindi masama tumulong sa iba, pero tumulong ka na ang gusto mo ba ipakilala si Jesus sa buhay nila. Kayo ang asin ng buong mundo. Kayo ang ilaw ng mundo. Keep on believing that we need to influence. Impluwensyahan natin. Mga kaibigan natin, impluwensyahan natin na maging maayos ang buhay. Amen? So that we can make a difference. The members of the council were amazed when they saw the boldness of Peter and John. Bakit? For they could see that they were ordinary men with no special training in the scriptures. They also recognized them as men who had been with Jesus. You know James and John? They were ordinary people like you and me.